Hey friends, if you wish to fix dump file creation failed due to error during dump creation in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK and it will open the disk cleanup page. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then finally restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.